The first time I want to say syukur Alhamdulillah on kehadiran Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. And that time I want to give you some information that a speech contest in Pidie, in the Pidie Education Festival too. I think it is very great and it's very important for the student to master the vocabulary in Pidie, and so they can train about their ability to master of English. Beside that, we can just advise that the student, special from senior high school, can use of their languages to improve their activities based on the schooling of activities day. And I want to say thank you so much for the Pidie Education Festival too, with help the festival, and it can very increase of the ability student to do for the next time. And I think time is up today about this problem, and so all the problem in the school and all the problem outside from the school, we can know that it is very necessary for being or building their vocabulary, and so it must be developing for their activities everywhere they want to do it. Just I think it's all this a little information about it.